Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to lock YouTube on TV. So I'll show you the step-by-step guide on how you can do it. As you can read, keeping your children safe while they enjoy TV is now effortless, but with the availability to lock YouTube on your television. So how you can do it? So let's go through the step-by-step guide. So how you can lock it, here you can read the step-by-step guide how to lock YouTube on TV. So the first thing is access the settings menu. Press the home button on your remote, then navigate to the settings menu on your TV, and once you're in the settings, just go to the parental controls, scroll down to parents control or parental control section, which is available on most web OS TVs and smart TVs as well. And from that section you can just create or enter a pin. If this is your first time setting up parental control, you will be prompted to create a secure pin. If already set, just enter your existing pin. And once you do that, just block YouTube. Once in the parental controls menu, locate YouTube and select the option to block or restrict it. So make sure to go to this like settings first of all, and from that just go to parental controls, create a pin or enter the pin. If you already have created, just block the YouTube. After applying the restrictions, save your settings and exit. YouTube is now locked on your TV.